Welcome back to MotorFab YouTube channel. Today we are here in my shop in Norman, Oklahoma, and Luke and Jesse just got done putting one of your kits on the rear end, your leaf spring deal. What's the official name for it? What do you call it?
We just call it MotorFab leaf spring kit.
We just call it MotorFab leaf spring kit. I like it. Makes sense.
Yeah.
But you guys have been here for what, 2 days now, basically?
Yep.
Started on it late yesterday, worked on it a few hours, and then finished it up today. And really, we hope to make this car work better. Our goal here is to get some of the weight out of the trunk that we had to put in there to make it work good on the street, which this car did work good on the street. And so if we can lighten it up and make the ass end of the car lighter, but still make the thing work just as good, that's our goal. And Luke, I think you think that the parts we just put on here is probably going to help us do that.
We hope so.
Y'all got it done. It looks great. And now all we got to do is do a little testing.
That's the fun part.
Yep.
Here we are, right Martin shop, about to put MotorFab leaf springs in this Camaro. Major differences between the MotorFab kit and others is our bushing system doesn't do that. Obviously all that movement translates to the rear axle moving around the car and then the car not going straight. So we're going to fix all that.
Let's talk about gold stuff. Hold up. Here we gonna talk about gold stuff. Gold medals hanging on Michael Phelps' collarbone. I don't need him, I don't need him, I don't need him. He could keep him, he could keep him, he could keep him. Golden globes like candles, lighting up Meryl Streep's mantle. She could take him, she could take him, she could take him. I'ma leave him, I'ma leave him, I'ma leave him. Girl, you remember that TV show in the late 80s with all them old Betty White ladies? They were golden, but you're so much golder. I'ma have to show you how to spell your name correctly. G-O-L-D-E-S. Feeling shine from my Rolex. Shine from my Rolex. So baby, you the goldest. Baby, you the goldest. Fact is on, baby, I love you. Platinum. Wishes it was you. No offense, goldfish. No offense, goldfish. So baby, you the goldest. Baby, you the goldest. Baby, you are the goldest. Baby, you are the goldest. Gold records on the walls, decorating Graceland's halls. I love Elvis, but I ain't jealous. Golden gloves, catching dust, filling up Greg Mattis's man cave. Bet he got some good stories from the glory days, but I'd rather have you on my resume. Girl, you remember that ticket in that old Willie?
Some other cool stuff here in Ryan's shop. We would have seen the Chevelle from Endgame, and Ryan tells us today that all of that was true. The guy didn't want to sell it, and then Ryan convinced him to sell it. It is an absolutely gorgeous car. Makes around 1200 to the tyres, and it is a proper street car. It is beautiful, and inside and out it's immaculate. A bit hard to see through the tinted windows. We'll open her up. There you go. Proper street car. And the MPK car. That is sick. The Champ. He's got this too, which is really cool. So genuine original Grand National with 3,000 miles on it. Obviously the wheels have been changed, but other than that it's all stock and it is neat. Rigidage original. Down here we've got another car that he's building. It's got a bit of an Australian influence to it too. It's got the Higgins set up on it. They're just doing the intake now. Single turbo deal. It's a street car. Ryan races a lot on the street. It's not fake what they tell you on the show. These guys do race on the street a lot. He's got multiple cars to race on the street and still actively races, which I think is really cool. So that's the Camaro. Some more down the back that we'll get to in a sec. Inside the Grand National, and it is like a brand new car from the 80s. Look at that. 3,312 miles. What a beautiful car. Immaculate. Runs also got this wicked truck you might have seen online. It's got the, I think it's 1,000 horsepower crate engine in it. It's pretty cool. The truck is immaculate. Street car. Like I said, he's got a lot of street cars. And he's got the late model Camaro here. I don't actually know what's under that one. This cool thing here. It's a Bel Air 62, I think it is. It's pretty cool. There's a 57 beside it. Both tough cars. He said they're two of his favourites. He wishes he got to drive them more. So cool. Everything he got is immaculate.
And got the twins in the back to try to get some of the weight, as much of the weight back as we can. Try to make this thing work better. But speaking of trying to make it work better, what you guys did.
Here we go, this is the one that I didn't know anything about. Still don't, but it's cool. Yeah. Righto, so here we are. Finishing off the last little things on the suspension kit. Jesse Adams here, giving me a hand. How's the job been, Jesse?
Oh,
Long.
it's been a job.
So there's our MotorFab suspension kit. A couple of things on this car made. We had to change a few things. They have a chassis connector on this car which goes right where our bracket needed to sit. But we worked around that. It doesn't change the kit at all. It just means we had to scallop it out. Everything else pretty much the same, except for this car has had the leaf springs shifted over. So we've had to offset our slider bracket. Normally it would run in line for more tyre clearance. It's a mod that a lot of people did to these cars, so that took a little bit longer to do. So other than that, everything else fits up nice. So there it is. The MotorFab suspension kit fitted to Ryan Martin's Camaro. This is Ryan's street race car. It's got a twin turbo LS platform in it. Makes a lot of power. It used to have a nitrous big block in it, but they just changed to this new combo, so it hasn't been run yet with it. We'll show you the top half shortly. Kind of thing. It has got all the goodies in it. It's got a beautiful front end in it. Aluminium block. It's got a really nice belt-driven fuel pump. It's got some really cool stuff in it. It's a really neat car. So, absolutely stunning car actually. And it's going to be fast, really fast.
Bye.